Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lance Swigert, and I'm the president of S3 One Goal. Wanted to take a quick minute for our walkthrough Wednesday and walk you through the process of uploading items in the bulk. So bulk uploading items and photos to either your live or your online auctions. I want to say we appreciate you watching. Our S3 One Goal is a product for you to manage your online live auctions, including simulcast and nonprofit fundraising auctions. So we're going to take this chance, walk through real quick, a few short minutes. It's 3 easy steps for the details and then a couple steps for your photos. And let's just dive right into it. So as you can see, we're here on our management page. What we're going to do is we are going to go to item management and then our bulk item details. Okay, slide that out of the way. So our step 1 of our 3 easy steps is to choose what type of auction we are working with. Are we working with an online auction or a live auction? Okay, we're gonna do an online auction. We choose our item statuses, and we'll go over those item statuses in another video, but we don't want our items to go straight online, so we're going to keep ours in a pending process, so they're in our item approval queue. We're going to select our seller. We're going to use 6932. Okay, we're going to select category. These are categories that all the items would be placed in for this bulk upload. We're using a spreadsheet to do this, and I'll show you the spreadsheet here in just a second. But if all these items are from going into one category, we can choose that category. We can choose multiple categories, but all the items would be going into that category. It brings up our defaults, buyer's premium and seller's premium. We can change those. That again, it applies to the whole spreadsheet. Our closing time, our auto invoice. So if we want the system to automatically create an invoice, and then our auto process, which means once it's closed, it's invoiced, do we want it to automatically charge their credit card that's on file, and do we want to process that payment? We can also change our tax rate depending on if we're in a live scenario, live auction, and we're in a different location. If we need to update our taxes for that item, we can, for those items in general, we can set that. Okay, so we're going to click those. We're going to our next step, which is our step 2. Okay, step 2 is a general step for newer users. It guides you through actually downloading a spreadsheet for a sample template. These are all the fields that you can use to import. You've got the item name, lot numbers, you've got stuff for fundraisers, for donated by, you've got descriptions, the seller's identification number you can put in there, instructions, different tax rates for each item. If you have different tax rates for different items, you can put those in the spreadsheet as well. Okay, and if you need some detailed instructions, you can expand this out, and it shows you again all those fields, and then it gives a description of those fields and how you can import those fields, what type of formatting you need for those forms. Okay, I already have a spreadsheet, and let's take a look at that spreadsheet real quick. We're going to switch over. I typically use either Google Sheets or Numbers. This one I did in Numbers, and one of these days we'll do a short video of why I have multiple sheets up here. But basically it's so that I can concatenate and make the spreadsheet the way I want it, to bring all the information that I need within a spreadsheet into one spreadsheet to upload. So here's our upload spreadsheet. We got our lot numbers fields, our name fields, and all the fields that we want to use. So let's go back to the web page. We're going to choose the file. We're going to browse for it. We're going to find it in, I've got just the test one here in my temp folder. I have this as a CSV file. My file does have header columns, and so it's going to upload that document and all those items. Okay, and our next step, our fourth and last step, is mapping out the fields. So we want to make sure that the fields that we have in our column header column here match the fields that we have in our item field. So sales tax didn't pick up, so I need to go in here, pick the sales tax. I can confirm that mapping. Give it just a second, and those items are now uploaded and in my inventory. So the next thing you can see at the bottom, obviously I had quite a few, I had 137 lots in that one. Next we're going to go over quick bulk upload image. Okay, we're just going to do a sample here because the uploading process of the images is what takes so long. Again, we give you detailed instructions so that if you're not comfortable or you have people that aren't using the system all the time, we give you the instructions on how to do this right there on the page so that you can refresh your memory. We did this as an online auction, so we're going to choose that. Now I'm doing this on my iPad, so I'm going to choose my photos. I'm going to make sure those photos are in my photo library. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick these last photos. Now a big thing here is I'm going to choose the image size. Okay, a lot of our cameras nowadays take really large photos. We don't need those really large photos for our website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink them down to large size, and now I've got a lot smaller upload, which means it takes less time. Okay, those are chosen. Now I'm going to click upload photos. And again, this is what takes the longest time to get those items uploaded, depending on your internet speed, depending on the quality, the size of the images, and things like that. All right, so the upload is done. And as you can see, we have a list of our items that we've uploaded on the right-hand side and a list of the photos that we uploaded. And it would show all the photos if we did. What I like to do is I like to click Show Item Options. I can sort these things, but I'm going to sort this by the oldest so that my lots are in order. And then, so I've got lot 88. The way we do it, we take a picture of the photo of the lot number, and then we have pictures of the items. So I select my TaylorSoft SoftServe, the 2 pictures that went with it, confirm image mapping. Okay. I select my next lot, which is the marble tabletops. I select the 2 images that go with it. I select lot 90. And I would continue down the list as I had, selecting the item, selecting the photos, and confirm the mapping. Once I've gone through, I've got extra photos here that I didn't use, or my lot number photos that I didn't place online. I can discard all those images that got uploaded that I'm not going to use at that time. It tells me you're going to have to re-upload them if you use them, if you do this. And I'm back to my bulk images upload screen. If I need to upload another set, I continue to upload another set, map those until I'm finished with the spreadsheet. And then, of course, we put those in our pending status. So now those items will show up here in my item approval, waiting to be made active onto my online marketplace. So hopefully you got something out of this. Again, quick, short walkthrough of our process to make bulk uploading of the items and the images really easy. We do this all the time, and so I wanted to make this process as easy as I could. And hopefully you enjoy it. If you have any questions or would like to take more of a look into our software and see how it can help your business, create your own local marketplace for online auctions for sellers and buyers. And if you like to do fundraising auctions, you can use this for fundraising. The nonprofits can build their spreadsheet, as most of them do. You can take that spreadsheet once it's ready, upload it the day of, even day before your event, because it's so quick. You can upload that. They can make changes up to the last minute, and then you can upload that into the system. You're not having to constantly upload and re-upload and delete and upload and change. You can do all the changes in your spreadsheet. The organization can upload it real quick into the system, get everything attached and done, and you're ready to go. So either which way, it's a quick, easy process to get your items into the system. Thanks again. Give us a shout out on Facebook if you want to, or call us. and ask for a walkthrough of the system and see how it can be helpful for you in your auction business or nonprofit. Y'all have a great day.